Hi, I'm Marilyn Tate, and this is a principal's guide to gifts to students or staff. So first we'll go over gifts to students. If you want to give incentives for fundraising events, you have to make sure that the gifts are or the incentives are bought only for students who participated in that fundraiser. Now, the gifts must be purchased with the funds raised by that group, and they should be age appropriate, and they shouldn't cost too much so they don't affect the profits of the fundraiser. Sometimes you want to give special achievement gifts such as academic awards or awards for athletic accomplishments. Those gifts can actually come from general funds, donations, and athletic groups specifically, or parent groups. The cost should be practical and they should be age appropriate. So gifts to staff members. For special occasions, things such as baby showers, wedding gifts, condolences, things like that. Those can be paid for with a staff remembrance or social funds. These funds come from staff dues or donations. They do not come from general funds at all. The funds should be managed by a committee, and they should have written procedures for those funds of how to use them and set dollar limits for any purchases. And of course, any purchases should be reasonably priced. For fundraising incentive gifts for staff members, again, just like students, they should only go towards staff members who participated in a given fundraising project. The cost should be minimal, and you should have a procedure of keeping the overall cost to a limit of only 5% of the total overall profit. All staff gifts. There are times when you want to give things to your entire staff. If gifts are for personal use, you have to purchase those with staff generated funds. The percentage of all school fundraising funds purchased by teachers can be applied to all staff gift purchases, things such as school pictures that teachers buy. Now, small incentive or recognition gifts that are useful in the classroom can be purchased with general funds in some districts. You need to look into your district's policies for that. But again, they have to be not too much, and they have to be able to be used in the classroom. Cash, checks, gift cards, and certificates should never be given for all staff gifts. And again, the gift cost must be low. So recognizing some special efforts for specific students or staff members where you want to get together and give a staff member or student something, collect money, perhaps some family member has died or a house fire, anything like that. You can have special collections for those. But you need to go through a community group or have a parent group take care of that fundraising for you instead of doing it as a staff. Because again, you can't give cash. If you do raise any cash amount and it goes through the school, the teachers would be taxed for that as well as any large gift. So always check with your district's policies before purchasing any type of gifts with school funds or money raised by staff or students. Thank you.